Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2025 Kawasaki ZX-10R. This superbike just arrived with only 3,400 miles. It's got an awesome sounding Akrapovic exhaust, brand new rear tire, beautiful condition, fender eliminator kit. Come on by and make your superbike dreams come true for just $16,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. This bike is still under factory warranty for another 8 months. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.